Today, we're diving into the world of self-discovery and satisfaction. Yes, we're talking about male masturbation, but hold on, we're not just going through the motions. We've got 12 techniques that'll take your solo play to a whole new level. So, buckle up and get ready for some steamy tips. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Masturbation is not just natural, it's healthy. It's a fantastic way to explore your fantasies, relieve stress, boost your mood, and even improve your sleep. Alright, now that we've got the groundwork covered, let's talk about making those solo sessions unforgettable. Number 1, set the mood. Forget about those quick bathroom sessions. Plan your alone time like a pro. Dim the lights, play some sexy videos, tease yourself, and stay relaxed. Trust me, it makes a difference. Number 2, change positions. Don't stick to the same routine. Whether you're standing, lying down, or feeling adventurous on all fours, different positions mean different sensations. More satisfaction, anyone? Number 3, switch hands. And hey, ever heard of the stranger? We've all tried it at least once, right? Experiment with different strokes and find what makes your pleasure zone wider. Number 4, move those hips. It's not just for partners, it can intensify your pleasure and lead to more satisfaction. Circular or back and forth motion. Find what works for you. Number 5, go beyond the penis. Your testicles, shaft, and perineum deserve some love too. Experiment with different touches and strokes for a mind-blowing experience. Number 6, explore erogenous zones. From ears to nipples, neck, mouth, and lips. Play with them during your solo session for a sensational full-body climax. Number 7, don't forget the prostate. The male G-spot can take your experience to a whole new level. Experiment with fingers or toys. It's your golden ticket to intense pleasure. Number 8, add in a toy or two. Automatic strokers, fleshlights, prostate stimulators. There's a world of toys out there. Spice up your solo play and ramp up your orgasm. Number 9, try edging. Prolong the pleasure with start and stop methods. It's like a roller coaster of ecstasy. And trust me, the longer, the better. Number 10, go beyond video porn. Switch it up with erotica, reading, listening, or paying for premium content. Explore your fantasies in a safe, sexy way. Number 11, take your time. Masturbation doesn't have to be a race. Experiment with speed, strokes, positions, hands, toys. Discover what turns you on for a better orgasm. Now, can we talk about back-to-back orgasms? It's not just for the ladies. With a bit of experimentation, some men can experience this mind-blowing feat. Ejaculation may play a role, so try other types of orgasms and see what works for you. Lastly, for those seeking the ultimate climax, it's all about practice. Edging, using toys, or stimulating the prostate can heighten the intensity. The focus on yourself and your pleasure can lead to mind-blowing orgasms.